If you've been lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering why your brain won't shut off, you're not alone. Insomnia affects nearly 1 in 3 adults, and it's not just frustrating. It affects your hormones, your metabolism, your mood, and your long-term health. But here's the truth. Your body is designed to sleep. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. And today, I'm going to show you the most effective natural remedies, backed by science, to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling human again. Strategy 1. Reset your circadian rhythm. The most powerful sleep remedy isn't a supplement, it's sunlight. Morning light resets your internal clock and triggers melatonin release later at night. Just 10 minutes outside can transform your sleep. Strategy 2. Calm the nervous system. Insomnia is often a nervous system stuck in fight or flight. Breathing techniques, progressive muscle relaxation, and yoga can shift your body into rest and digest in minutes. Strategy 3. Herbal sleep support. Valerian root, chamomile, passionflower, and lavender have real clinical evidence behind them. They're gentle, non-habit forming, and effective for many people. Strategy 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is the relaxation mineral. It reduces muscle tension, lowers cortisol, and supports GABA, your brain's calming neurotransmitter. Take 1 to 2 hours before bed. Strategy 5. Lower nighttime cortisol. High evening cortisol is one of the biggest sleep killers. Tart cherry juice, ashwagandha, and L-theanine can help bring it down naturally. Even small reductions in cortisol can dramatically improve sleep onset. Strategy 6. Support melatonin naturally. Instead of relying on melatonin supplements long-term, support your natural production with darkness, warm lighting, and melatonin-rich foods. Your brain produces melatonin when it senses darkness. Protect that signal. Strategy 7. Optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom should feel like a sleep sanctuary. Cool, dark, quiet, and free of electronics. These changes reduce micro-arousals and deepen sleep cycles. Strategy 8. Meal timing. Late-night eating spikes insulin and body temperature. Both disrupt sleep. Finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Stable blood sugar equals stable sleep. Strategy 9. Cognitive techniques. Sometimes the mind keeps you awake. A simple brain dump or gratitude practice can quiet mental chatter. Mental decluttering is a powerful sleep tool. Strategy 10. Build a wind-down ritual. Your brain loves routine. A consistent wind-down ritual signals your nervous system that it's time to sleep. Consistency is more important than duration. My final thought. Insomnia isn't a life sentence. Your body wants to sleep. You just need to support it. Start with 1 or 2 of these habits tonight and watch your sleep transform. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my latest book, Stronger by the Day Nutrition, the ultimate guide to diet types, foods, and recipes for energy, fat loss, strength, longevity, disease prevention, brain health, and more. Along with all the other books in the Stronger by the Day Empowerment Collection, all available on Amazon and my website. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.